Welcome to Quick Tip with Joy. Today I want to talk about these little ornery daubers and how they like to roll off your desk. Well, if you just add a gem, this is a fairly big gem as you can see. It's about the size of my thumb. Or I glued this on. Or if you want to add a button or something of similar, then just glue it on there. And you can see that it might go 1 roll, 2 rolls, depending how fast it's rolling, but it's not going to like roll off your desk as easily as without it. So that's your tip for today. I hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up if you do. And if you'd like to share it, please do. If you'd like to see more from me, subscribe, and if you ring the bell, you'll get the notifications of when I post a new video. As for today, remember your day is full of choices, so choose joy. See you later.